Box cover, this is DuttyBerry and welcome to the first social media countdown of 2017. Number 10, DyDy dissed by Dutty. Me box foot, this shock me. So Miss of the Pineapple for the Zoom Zoom movement took to Instagram to express her disappointment after DuttyBerry spoke about her online feud with Bella Blair in his recent social media countdown. Just to understand what the fuss for. If Pineapple work for DyDy Zoom Zoom and Cranberry work for Bella Blair Zoom Zoom, they not just call it a day and make a blended fruit punch. There's enough space for everybody. Me Pineapple. So DyDy stopped by DuttyBerry's page and posted this at DuttyBerryShow. You know, I was kinda starting to warm up to you. Full stop, full stop, full stop, full stop. I really was. Full stop, full stop, full stop, full stop. But hey man, do your thing. Boo, get them views, boo. Full stop, full stop, full stop, full stop. Work it, work it, work it. Then the box foot, DuttyBerry fired back and said this. And then 1 minute later, DyDy went on Instagram again and posted this. I don't know why people don't post and talk about the positive things that we do. Full stop, full stop, full stop, full stop. Why the positive things never get night lighted. Thinking face, thinking face. It's always the F-ray. Exclamation point. SMH. Sad face. LMAO. Me gongo. Before gas could have take up my intestines, DuttyBerry clapped back and said this. No, man, the DuttyBerry brother there, him well lame. No little clap back to excite up the thing. Just nothing so. Afterwards, DyDy posted this vid.
And you know me, I said sometimes they're in a certain spotlight and they feel as if when they talk about you, the attention are gonna run upon them and them are gonna get like a highlight on them thing. They make them take it,
and then put up this post and delete picture. And all this while, boring big head DuttyBerry did not hard say one thing. So anyways, because I have 1 and 2 links, I was able to reach out to DuttyBerry and get this word from him. Take a look.
Big up yourself, DuttyBerry. First, me for say congratulations, DyDy, on your 4 YVA nominations. I think it's just a misunderstanding. She didn't understand the brand DuttyBerry and what the social media countdown is about. So that might have been the reason why she reacted that way. So me gonna say the social media countdown is, you know, my video series that I put out weekly that talks about the hot trending topics that were being discussed in Jamaica over a month or a week's period. So the DyDy and Bella thing was something that people were talking about, so that's why I included. And if you watch the video, I didn't say anything that was a diss, anything that I think you'd find offensive. It was just merely in fun and in good spirit. So hope moving forward that you do not react so quickly and so Cardi B like to things, because you're a promising talent. And if you're going to be offended by something that I did like that, the future is going to be way worse as your stardom begins to increase.
Alright, Mr. Berry, well, I just hope that both of you can come to some sort of agreement where you can be cool with each other. Number 9, Buju Banton closer to freedom. Box cover, so incarcerated reggae singer Buju Banton may get 1 year removed from his 10-year sentence according to US prison records. So what I am hearing is that his new release date is December 8, 2018. Woot, 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 clap, clap, bap, bap, bap. People I say free world boss, but personally, I believe say Buju freedom need to come first.
Free Gargamel.
I wanna rule my destiny, yeah.
Number 8, when fanning goes wrong. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my box foot, essay, my seat, clear. Any show with boom, bound for make my top 10 countdown. Yeah man, Just watch. Yeah, yeah. Wine your body, girl. Wait, what? Who that? No, sir. Whoever the person who said that when music hits you feel no pain was telling a colossal lie. Imagine, contest I go on stage and my girl the off stage I try to be Bridget Foster Hilton. But seriously, in all honesty, never hard left yourself careless around Kartel music. Your inner skettle will come out. Cause me just can't meds our kind of spirit could have take over our body to fling her up in the air and go crash pan gravel. Sir, let's just hope that she never hurt our body too bad. Number 7, viral Ananda alert. Me fridge stop. Yo! So how do I begin to box foot start to describe the situation? Sir, but here goes. A schoolgirl went missing. Zine, her mother put out a post on Facebook begging people with any information to see if them can help to try to find the whereabouts of our daughter. My daughter has been missing from New Year's Eve. Please help me find her by sharing her photo, please. We are from Westmoreland. Help me find her, please. So right there and then, people online start to rally round and share the picture. I tell a friend, people from the community get involved. The police came on board trying to find out the whereabouts of this particular young lady. Because of 4 days now, and the girl just missing. And you know how Jamaica stay. Me box foot, only for go find out say the girl never missing at all. A man yard she did go. Oh God. No, I swear, but now make it up. So a picture of the young lady surfaced on Facebook after, I guess, the guy that she did a catch with posted it on Fiend Facebook page. People see it and start to share it out and I cuss off the young man. Well, I don't even know if you're too young, but yeah, cuss off the man. Her mother, they all about the place and try to find the little girl, and my girl in a bed snuggle up with man and take selfie. Oh, Jesus, peace. Me just hear mothers all over Jamaica, all over the Caribbean. There is a boss-ass spirit moving in the air. People, I don't know what else to say. What would you do if you were that young lady's mother? Anyway, so you know what time it is? It is time that I present a brand new segment for 2017 called Hot Shots of the Week. First up, we have Lisa Hannah at Frenchman. Next up, we have the Fluffy Diva at Magnum Live. And last but not least is the man known as Fashion Baba. My Baba in a Afro tree with fit him timeless fashion. And done. Number 6, Denyque officially married. So congratulations are in order for dancehall princess Miss Denyque because she get married to her longtime boyfriend Kareem on New Year's Day.
Baby, I've been making plans. Baby, I've been making plans.
Can you believe it? A New Year's Day wedding. It was lovely. Well, it looked lovely, kind of like somebody to get invited. It was on the beach, close family and friends, and you know, I'm happy for them. It was a good look. Like what your song say, you are now officially a proud wifey.
But Denyque a proud wifey, that you only can dream about.
And wait there. Did I mention say it was just in October 2016 that them get engaged? And some girls sit down in an engagement from Transport Center Amic. Number 5, pastor on rape charge. Boy oh boy, girl oh girl. 2017 and the drama just keeps rolling in. So to Boxfoot, so a Moravian pastor was charged with having sex with a minor. So hear this. Word on the street was that last year, on December 28th, police did a circle the area in a Santa Cruz. Zine, while them a circle the area, them buck up on a parked car that aroused them suspicion. So then, them go to Bob's and then run go inspect the car, and it was at that point that them go find the pastor in a one compromising position with a 15-year-old girl. And since then, this story just left whole heap of Jamaicans kind of confused, shocked, disgusted and upset. Some say, how come the church so vocal about the yellow pages I put on dancehall people on the cover and them so silent about this? All the principal for the Hamptons Girls School, I get some backlash from the public because she had decided to go and support her body at him local court hearing since week.
That's what friends are for.
Number 4, Beenie versus Alka. Zaga, so dancehall superstar King Beenie Man recently performed in St. Catherine, right? And at this particular show, he's told the fans that the Vendetta boss, Alkaline, basically done with Jamaicans, correction, dirty Jamaicans, and that he has no intention to perform in a Jamaica.
Alkaline, him not do no show in Jamaica, him say him done with dirty Jamaica and now perform food. I just want to know what that himself and more. See? And you see everyone and say, whoa, that's honesty. I just want to know. People, me and one like dirty Jamaica, me like come to Jamaica come perform with dirty people there.
Wow, Alka, and Beenie Man on the other hand, boy, you well brave to come out and for go say something against the Alka boss, because you I know the Alkaline fans them do not are play. It's not a new thought because people in the industry have been sharing this, them basically them murmur the same sentiments them for quite some while now. But nobody never want to come out and get the whipping from the public. So Beenie Man say what him for say, and it's because Alkaline a lame like DuttyBerry, Alkaline fired back. He took to Instagram and eloquently wrote this. Pink putty beanie. Me know on youth online. Tag him. Box cover. So you are no sir right there, and then the Vendetta squad fly go over Beenie Man page like them cricket baller try to find one wicket. And people, the Vendetta fans them tell Beenie a bag of things that I cannot repeat here. Go your mother, dog. So then Beenie Man issued a statement on his Instagram. No man, he come like say Instagram people do all of them PR work nowadays. I'm glad all the artists hear me. 2 years now, the fans them a support him and can't see him. Zaga, when you take the music for your game, Zaga, Instagram badman thing, and my style. I take on Mataran style for your warp on Instagram. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. So what are your thoughts, Burritos? You think Beenie Man is just being a hater, or you do believe him have a pint? Do you think that Alkaline need for performing in Jamaica? And now check out the random video of the week. Number 3, Jacqueor's Risque fashion. So I was to have talked about this story from last week, but it just slipped my mind. Jacqueor, the internet heart just clearly do not like you. No. People, before me going into the story, let me just tell you this. Jacqueor right now isn't the regular traditional shoba, yeah. When I rise early this morning. The brother level up and just get edgy. Imala Vernica Campbell Brown foreign accent.
Special place. I enjoy coming here and
So I don't want nobody to be going around and getting in the wrong spot.
Just take a little glimpse on him 2016 style. So now to the meat of the matter. Towards the end of December 2016, Jacqueor was in Zimbabwe when he was spotted wearing some, let's just say, well-fitted attire.
Yeah, I'm coming with the... You know what I mean? I'm home. This is the
And some people were just not feeling it. Not a box foot. Well, to me, we just feel say, right about now, Jacqueor just step on some rock star Lenny Kravitz type of meds. And that his style is just simply evolving. But you just know how Jamaicans stay. If your name is not her Vibes Kartel, your tight clothes will not get a pass. And see that, as them say, when it rains, it pours. Because now Beenie Man end up in the same predicament for theme outfit when we were to the Magnum Live recently. People come online and our customer have same I wear a skirt, but this is what Beenie Man had to explain and say.
Do you like my African beat? This is how they used to make the trench coat back in Africa. Deep, round the waist, jacket sharp, and the rest of the coat there. You see it? That show you say you's a man. No.
Way to go, yeah, King Beenie. Defend your outfit. And to support you and Jacqueor made, see me in a one big old long time shirt here. But me get a new yard. Number 2, who needs saving? Glory! Hi. Jesus, take the case and give me the pillow. This your story, take the cake and every box foot crumbs. So this church lady, they are foreign and I go about her business. When she woke up a whirlian and the spirit move her for go pray for him.
Can I pray with you? Can I pray with you? It will be possible if I pray with you this morning? Please. Okay. I'm a sinner, but I want to pray with you. Get down.
Aww, so sweet. Campaigning for the Lord.
Give me your hands. Give me your hand. Mighty name of Jesus.
No. That's a lie. There will be no lie.
Backfoot, the man say wrong bang for the word Jesus.
No, I am the living voice. Nah, no God, no God.
There is no God.
Me not gonna lie, the brother there, low-key look like a black Moses. So them start to argue about who for name for pray, inna.
I mean, we all the children. We are all
And that's why we gotta call out to
We
him.
are all part of one.
But in the mighty name of Jesus.
No.
In the mighty name of Jesus.
No.
I
If this brother say no one more time, just one more time,
Satan, I rebuke
That's a
you.
lie.
And I see you can't come across the word of God.
make him a believer, sister.
I say, Satan, you are a liar. Satan, you are a liar. Rascal.
No, me not laugh. The bad word just chip right out. My only obsession I call that speaking in tongues.
Satan, you are a liar. Rascal. The devil starts to...
And number one goes to Dancehall Queen Split. People, I did not want to talk about this because personally I just love this trio. But see there, drama go pop. And now the Burritos them have forced me, coerced me into talking about it. So popular dancers Renee 630, DHQ Sher, and DHQ Nickeisha, or as I call them, Dancehall Kardashians, or Jam Down Destiny's Child, have been friends for quite a while now and are stars in their own right. Renee built the puppy tail dance and is a 630 extraordinaire.
Renee 630 come across with a new dance called Puppy Tail.
DHQ Sher is the 2012 Dancehall Queen champion. And Dancehall Queen Nickeisha is the creator of the Needle-Eye. So these girls have been shelling the dancehall scene together for about the past 3 or 4 years. And they came to full prominence when Spice brought them on as her official dancers and were featured in the Needle-Eye music video. But then that was short-lived when the girls them started promotional work for Don Andre, who had a competing song called Needle-Eye as well. So Spice and the 3 girls then part ways. Spice get new dancers. And the girls continued working with Don Andre. Me Boxfoot, at the end of 2015, Spice official dancers them and then the 3 girls them have an encounter at one particular club, and then this year war got took place. Woo! Whew! So that had concluded the first chapter. No, so I'm tired, me I run out of breath already. Chapter 2. So, the Jamaican Destiny's Child continued their success, and then blam! The fans them start to realize say Nickeisha was just becoming more and more absent from the mix. It seemed that every and everywhere was just Renee 630 and Dancehall Queen Sher alone. So where was Nickeisha? Where you went? Well, you see by this time, Dancehall Queen Nickeisha was all caught up and wrapped up in the Beez squad, headed by the one, the only Marvin. So after several months of teasing, them finally come out and officially confirm them relationship together. And since then, them have been taking over the social media scene with them Half a Tree Limelight edition adaptation of Young Puppy Love. Hashtag goals. So what some mix-up fans were saying is that Sher must never be too fond of the relationship that Nickeisha have with Marvin, and that kind of caused a little rift between 2 ladies. Bring it around town. Then things got more dramatic. Story officially come to bump when Dancehall Queen Nickeisha posted this video on her Instagram page with the caption, "You think it's chattings? Talent over argument. I mean run the streets. Nobody no build me, so no one can destroy me. Make own talent do the talking. I am my own boss." Oh dang. Me what not? So then Dancehall Queen Sher whopped back and posted this savagery on her Instagram. "The only thing running the streets is the white line. They always in it." They clap back there, shell. But bigger man thing though, as exciting as this whole Ray is between the dancers, seriously, I wish them would come back together and just unite because I love them as a trio. If Beyonce can step out and go find her Jay-Z I mean, if Nickeisha can step out and go find, you know, love from Marvin, the Beez, then just be happy for them. The fans, them just need to just support that. I know people, me not even now go down in the whole drama about Marvin and him wife of foreign and steps sister-in-law. Nickeisha stepped out. She might have, you know, parted ways with fear friends then, but she won, because what I'm seeing is that Marvin used to par with some people as part of Fame B squad, and them no longer operate under the Beez name. Now me see them a name Mechanic, so clearly look like him ditch couple friends too. All of these people, from Marvin to Nickeisha to Cher and 630, the whole of them I did friend at one point. Everybody did live loving, but at some point things happen and people just have to part ways. A part of life, just let it be. Well, that's it, people. Thanks for watching another DuttyBerry Top 10 Social Media Countdown. Make sure that you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. Big up to all the burritos that were always supporting the people in the Caribbean, Trinidad, Haitian. Did I say Haitian? Jesus Christ. Haiti. I'm so stupid. America, England, all over I have people that support. Thank you so much. Make sure to say I want to like the video. I want to get it to 4,000 likes. Leave a comment. All if you just say, big up Berry, keep on doing what you're doing. And oh, I need to tell you, if you want to advertise on the social media countdown, if you have a party where you just want to mention or something, message me and we can work out, you know, like a deal in something there. This is the social media countdown. First video off. Another first video. Yeah, the official first video. First launch video for 2017. So just make sure that you subscribe and continue to show your boy DuttyBerry some love. Big up.